Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about Fidelity versus Interactive Brokers. Which is the best trading platform? Let's start with Fidelity Investments. Fidelity is one of the most well-established brokerages in the US. It's especially well known among long-term investors, retirement savers, and new traders who want a reliable, easy-to-use experience. Here's what makes Fidelity a strong contender. Number 1. It has commission-free trades on United States stocks and ETFs. That means you keep more of your profits and it lowers the barrier to entry for new investors. It has fractional shares, which allows you to invest in expensive stocks with as little as $1. It's a fantastic feature for small portfolios or dollar cost averaging strategies. Fidelity has some of the best customer support in the industry, including live phone agents, chat, and in-person offices. It offers rich research tools like analysis ratings, new screeners, and technical indicators. No monthly fees or account minimums, making it very accessible. For investors planning for retirement, Fidelity offers IRAs, 401k rollovers, and access to target date mutual funds. It also includes robo-advisory services through Fidelity Go and full-service wealth management if you want a more hands-off approach. Now, let's talk about some of the downsides. Margin rates are high compared to competitors. This makes margin trading expensive unless you qualify for special rates. If you're interested in international markets, Fidelity options are relatively limited. You can invest globally but not nearly as flexibly as with platforms like IBKR. It doesn't support direct future trading, so if that's part of your strategy, you'll need a separate platform. And while the tools are solid, they aren't as advanced or customizable as professional level platforms. Bottom line on Fidelity: it's simple, reliable, and built for long-term United States investing. Now, let's talk about Interactive Brokers. It's also called IBKR. This platform is made for people who want access to global markets, advanced tools, and tight spreads. Here's why active and international traders love it. It has access to over 150 global markets. That includes stocks, ETFs, options, future, forex, bonds, and even crypto-related products. It has ultra-low commissions and margin rates. For example, US stock commissions can be as low as 0.0005 per share with no added spread. The Trader Workstation, or TWS, is one of the most advanced trading platforms available. It includes 155 plus indicators, 85 plus drawing tools, multi-leg option trading, customizable dashboards, and real-time risk analytics. It offers algorithmic trading tools including conditional orders, bracket orders, and even APIs for custom automation. You can deposit and hold funds in multiple fiat currencies, which is great for international traders and digital nomads. There are two main plans: IBKR Lite for commission-free trades with a simpler interface, and IBKR Pro for low-fee, high-volume professionals. But here are the trade-offs. It has steep learning curve. The platform is very feature-rich, and beginner may feel overwhelmed by the interface. Some account types may incur monthly activity or market data fees, especially if you're not an active trader. It also doesn't offer fractional shares for international stocks, although it does for United States shares. It has fewer funding options. Not as many payment processors are supported compared to consumer-oriented platforms. So the bottom line on IBKR is it's unbeatable for pros and international traders, but might be too much for beginners. So let's compare both of them side by side. So number 1 is trading cost. Fidelity is commission-free for stocks and ETFs, but expensive for margin. IBKR has low commissions and margin rates, especially with high volume. For the account type and services, Fidelity is best for retirement accounts, IRAs, and mutual funds. IBKR is best for traders needing global access, derivatives, and multi-currency support. For tools and interface, Fidelity is clean, simple interface with basic tools. IBKR is advanced workstation with every feature imaginable, but complex. For assets and markets, Fidelity is only US focused, and it has limited global reach. For IBKR, it is truly global, trade anything from anywhere. From the perspective of beginner friendliness, Fidelity wins here. Easy to set up and start trading. IBKR is powerful but intimidating for beginners. So what's the final verdict? Choose Fidelity if you're a US investor, if you value simplicity and service, and if you're focused on retirement and long-term investing. You can choose Interactive Broker if you trade internationally or want access to future and forex. And you also value low costs and high customization. And you're also comfortable learning a complex platform. So we can conclude Fidelity is equal to simplicity, support, and trust. IBKR is equal to power, performance, and global reach. Choose the one that fits your style and trade smarter. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.